Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite Lite. Start by downloading the official Suite Lite app and connect your Trezor using the USB cable, then unlock with your PIN. Explore the dashboard to see balances and recent activity, and use the Receive tab to share addresses safely. Always verify addresses on your device screen before sending funds, and keep your recovery seed stored offline in a secure location. In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite Lite. Connect your device, choose Create New or Restore Wallet, and follow prompts to set a PIN and back up your 12 or 24-word recovery seed. Store the seed offline and consider a fireproof or hidden safe for storage. Treat the seed like cash. Anyone with it can access your crypto. Regularly verify seed readability and avoid digital photos or cloud storage. In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite Lite. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with voice timers, alerts, and music while you manage wallets hands-free, and it pairs nicely with a secure desk setup. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, then come right back for more tips and demos. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite Lite. To receive, generate an address in Suite Lite and confirm that same address displays on your Trezor device screen before sharing it. To send, enter recipient, amount, and select fees, then verify every detail on the device before approving the transaction signature. For extra privacy, consider using new addresses per receive and double-check network fees to avoid accidental overpayment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.